Is Windows failing to load because of the Wpcapi Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To start the walkthrough for Wpcapi Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Wpcapi Library, the Windows Parental Controls API Library. It manages the localized enforcement of localized website blocking rules, localized time limits, and localized application execution restrictions based on localized parental control manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Wpcapi Library DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Wpcapi library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Wpcapi Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Wpcapi Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Wpcapi Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.